Hi guys! What's up, y'all?
We got some snacks.
Yeah, from Ethan's birthday.
So we just
He's
came back from
3.
Ethan's birthday party, and then we had this little Korean cotton candy schnuck in it.
When I asked Ethan what was my name, he got it perfect.
He did.
Yeah. So I have some gummy bears.
So, okay, so you guys, this is strawberry cotton candy.
Oh, I didn't get to smell. You moved it too fast.
Oh, look it.
Yeah. Smells like grapes for some reason, not strawberries. When you put it in water, it can disintegrate, right, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you know you can eat around it.
Here. Cheers.
This is in it.
Mm-hmm. It disintegrated in my mouth.
Now I'm starting to like cotton candy.
It's like freeze-dried strawberries inside it.
And look. On my own.
But this is the other side. This is the middle.
You're right, it does. Can I have that?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Ethan is turning 3.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's interesting. We got our classic Lay's here. Ooh. Lay's, you know the drill.
Let you know the drill.
Nice and salty.
Yes, sour gummy worms.
Trolley. Tralaleo tralala.
Mom,
Cheers. What?
what if William is watching?
He will. Hi, William.
Hi. My mom. He'll see that you said tra-la-la-la, tra-la-la.
He will. It's okay. Mm-hmm. And then we have, this is wild berry Haribo. Did you try this already?
Yeah.
Oh, which one should I try?
Red.
This one?
Yeah.
My favorite Haribos are the clear pineapple ones. They're wild berry.
I ate them all.
Haribo makes the best gummies.
Mom, you want the 2 last ones?
Mm-mm.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. We don't want it. I've had enough sugar. You have 2 though.
It's grape.
No, it's blackberry. These are nice. You know when you get the bag of chips and they're all broken and busted?
Yeah.
We're not gonna eat that. We just ate one. We'll eat one tomorrow. We already had a lot of sugar right now.
I didn't get to try the pink.
That's why I tried to share it with you. All right, guys. I hope you had a wonderful weekend.
Me too.
We're going to bed now.
Yeah.
Just kidding. But we are going to chill out and relax. Maybe watch some Korean drama. Maybe I should go live while I watch my drama. What do you guys think? Salty.
Cheers.
Yeah. Charles. All right, baby.
Bye-bye. That's a wrap up.
Wrap it up. All right, guys. Have a great night, Kay. We'll catch you next time. Bye.